Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Maps Share ETA estimated time of arrival on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Maps. Now in Maps, we scroll down and then go to the Share ETA section and tap on Share ETA. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Share estimated time of arrival on the iPhone 15 series. Now this is a feature that allows you to share your real-time location and estimated arrival time with specific contacts while you are traveling. And that's it. Finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.